This is a 7-inch screen for a digital wireless solar-powered camera with a 230-foot digital wireless range, SKU 20940. This 7-inch monitor is only compatible with our magnetic-based solar-powered cameras. The LCD panel is 1080p in full color that will seamlessly transition to the military-grade night vision featured on those cameras. With convenience in mind, we designed the buttons to be backlit and large buttons for easy chunky finger accessibility. The screen can be paired with up to 4 solar cameras with over 10 unique viewing modes. The monitor includes multiple mounting brackets like removable sunshield and a cigarette adapter for power. Lastly, if you want to get a little frisky, you can upgrade the screen to a dash camera with the optional integrated mobile DVR that you can upgrade on the product page itself. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!